of outrageous, a sixth sense of normal, a culture of hate. Fear leads to violence that never abates. But fresh from your drive-through window, a magic to-go box of light sustains me, sustains me. When all thoughts are dark as the night, it wearies your senses and dares you to quit, belittles your power, says shut up and sit. A wave of oppression, an army of love, a chorus of victims, no help from above. But fresh from your drive-through window, a magic to-go box of light sustains me, sustains me. When all thoughts are dark as the night, come speakers of truth and come doers of deeds. Agree where you must, on your differences feed. Inaction's compliance, apathy's death. Come out of your comfort so change can draw breath. But fresh from your drive-through window, a magic to-go box of light. Fresh from your drive-through window, a magic to-go box of light. Fresh from your drive-through window, a magic to-go box of light.
This was a little jazz improv. Thank you for coming out today to the great Wolf Mother's Garden. I have no idea what's next.